If you're having trouble with your iPhone's microphone, you're not alone. Whether it's not picking up sound during calls or recordings, I'm here to troubleshoot and fix it. Let's get started. First things first, let's check for any physical obstructions. Sometimes dirt or lint can block the microphone. Gently clean the microphone area, usually located at the bottom of your phone. You can use a soft brush or a toothpick, but be careful not to damage anything. Next, let's test if your microphone is actually working. Open some app that makes noise, or open the Voice Memo app and record a short clip. Tap the rate button, speak into your phone and then stop recording. Play it back to see if you can hear yourself. If you can't, we'll need to dig deeper. Hello. Hello. If this doesn't work, now let's check if the apps you're using have permissions to access the microphone. Go to Settings. Go to Privacy and Security and tap on microphone. Make sure the toggle is on for the apps you want to use. If it's turned off, turn it on and then test the microphone again. If the microphone is still not working, a simple restart can sometimes resolve the issue. And if none of these steps worked, you can try resetting all settings. This won't delete the data, but it will reset Wi-Fi passwords and other preferences. Go to Settings, go back to General. Tap on Transfer or Reset Data. And click on Reset and confirm and then test your microphone again. If you've tried everything and your microphone still isn't working, it might be a hardware issue. In that case, I recommend contacting Apple support or visiting an Apple store for further assistance. And that's it for today's video. I hope these tips help you fix your iPhone's microphone issues.